What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Esse back at it again with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this soft glam look. I tried to make it as simple as possible. I didn't want to make it complicated because it's supposed to be something you can do quick and then jet out. So yeah, I really do hope you like this look, and make sure to please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and yeah, enjoy the video. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna take my Esse Rich Moisturizer. It's really good, it has some probiotics in it, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. And I'm also going to apply that to the points that get oily throughout the day. I mean, look at how much my pores disappeared when I applied it. This is just a mixture of water and glycerine that I'm spraying on my face just to get that sticky texture. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to use that to spot conceal my hyperpigmentation, and I'm just going to blend it out. You really won't even see this underneath my foundation. I would use a lighter concealer, but a darker concealer works best for me. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline fitMe foundation in the shade 350, and I'm just going to take this beauty blender and I'm going to blend this out. Do you see how the concealer is not showing up? So now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face just so we're not looking all flat. And I'm just going to blend this out with my Real Techniques complexion sponge. I do not carry my concealer all the way across my face. I prefer to blend up into my eye, because if I blend it all the way out, it makes my face more wider, if that makes sense. So I prefer to just pack this in this area here and, you know, blend it up into my eye. And it also helps as an eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee again, and I'm going to use that to basically contour my face. So I'm just applying that on my forehead. I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones, and also a little nose highlight just to snatch that nose. And I'm just gonna go right ahead and blend out my contour using the same sponge I used to blend out my foundation. I honestly don't do like heavy contouring, but I like how, you know, this concealer makes my face warmer and just, you know, gives it more dimension. So I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal, this time in the shade Fawn, just to highlight my under eye area a bit more and furthermore conceal, you know, my eye bags, and obviously just to make them pop a bit more. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge and I am going to blend away. And then I'm going to take the Essence Stay All Day Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set my under eye area and everywhere else where I applied my concealer. I'm also going to put some of that underneath my contour on my cheeks just to bring it out a bit more. And then I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to buff off this powder. You will notice that I didn't necessarily buff off the cheek one well, but I fixed it in the end, so don't worry when you see that. Okay, I didn't go outside looking like that. And then I'm just gonna take this eyeshadow palette I got from a pharmacist a while back, and I'm gonna take those 2 brown shades and I'm just going to apply that on my crease and above my crease, just to give my eyes a bit more color, a bit more pop, but nothing too heavy. And then I'm going to apply obviously on my under eye area as well. And then I'm going to take this Absolute Perfect 10 Colors palette and I'm just going to take that gold shade I showed you, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid using my finger, because fingers are the best with shimmer shades, honestly. And I honestly just wanted this to be very effortless and very not so stressful, so just have fun with it. Okay, you can use whatever color you want. If you want a pink look, go for a pink look, but I wanted it to be a bit more bronzy and warm and summery. And then I'm going to take this Black Radiance Sheer Blush. I initially bought it as a blush, obviously, but you know, I think it looks better when I set my contour with it because it's very warm and orange. And I'm going to take this Multi-effect mascara by Smudge, and I'm going to apply that on my eyes as well, my eyelashes, sorry, just to prep them for extensions. I've already put on my lashes off camera, so now I'm just going to take this Colors Body and Face Shimmer and I'm going to apply that on the high points of my face. Make sure to shake out your fan brush because this is very pigmented. So yeah, we just want to look all glowy and dewy and like a golden molten Nubian princess. So yeah, just apply that on the high points of your face. And then I'm going to take this smudge, actually it's a brow pencil in the shade dark brown, but I don't like it for my brows, so I use it as a lip liner, especially because I have hyperpigmented lips and this actually shows up really well on my lips. And then I'm going to take MAC lipstick in the shade Persistence and I'm going to apply that all over my lips and just blend it in with my liner. And then we're going to set our makeup in place and, you know, get rid of that powdery look. And I'm just going to fluff out my hair. And yeah, that's it for the look and we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Deuces. Maybe make we broke to put it on me.